Pythagoras theorem for class 10, theorem 6.8. In a right triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides. Prove. Here we have given triangle ABC, which is right angle triangle. We need to prove that AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Here angle B is right angle and we have drawn BD perpendicular to AC. Now in triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC as we have proved in theorem 6.7. Therefore AD is similar to AB. So we can write AD upon AB equal to AB upon AC. Sides are proportional. Therefore, on doing cross multiplication, we can get AD into AC equal to AB square. The same way, triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. This we have proved in theorem 6.7. So, we can write over here CD upon BC equal to BC upon AC. Let us see CD. We are taking for triangle BDC. So, CD is there the same way BC is there in triangle ABC. So CD upon BC equal to, now we are taking BC of triangle BDC. So when we are taking BC, it is similar to AC. So CD upon BC equal to BC upon AC. So on doing cross multiplication, we can get CD multiply AC equal to BC square. Now on adding result number 1 and 2, we can get AD multiply AC plus CD multiply AC equal to AB square plus BC square. Now taking AC common, we can get AC into AD plus CD equal to AB square plus BC square. But AD plus CD is equal to AC. So AC multiply AC equal to AB square plus BC square. So here we have proved the result AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. The above theorem was earlier given by an ancient Indian mathematician Buddhayan about 800 BC. So it is very old theorem in mathematics. Now exercise 6.5. Let us see the proof. In case of right triangle, find the length of hypotenuse. Here we have provided 7 cm, 24 cm and 25 cm length. Let us prove whether these are the sides of right angle triangle or not. So here the smallest sides are 7 and 24. So 7 square plus 24 square equal to 49 plus 576 and it is equal to 625. So it is equal to 25 square. Therefore 7, 24, 25 centimeter are sides of right angle triangle and hypotenuse is the longest side, so it is 25 centimeter. Now second, 3 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Here smallest sides are 3 and 6. So 3 square plus 6 square equal to 9 plus 36 and it is equal to 45. So 45 is not equal to 8 square. So given sides are not of right angle triangle. So here there is no question to find out hypotenuse. Now third number, sides are given 50 centimeter, 80 centimeter and 100 centimeter. So smallest sides 50 and 80. So let us write down 50 square plus 80 square and it is equal to 2500 plus 6400 and it is equal to 8900, but it is not equal to 100 square. So given sides are not of right angle triangle. Now same way fourth number problem, 13 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Here smallest sides are 5 and 12. So 5 square plus 12 square equal to 25 plus 144. It is equal to 169. It is equal to 13 square. So given sides are of right angle triangle and hypotenuse is the longest side and it is 13 centimeter. Now problem number 6. ABC is an equilateral triangle of sides 2A. Find each of its altitude. Here I have drawn figure of triangle ABC in which AB, BC and CA are of 2A. Here I have drawn AD perpendicular to BC. So here D is the midpoint of BC. So according to Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to AD square plus BD square. So we can write down 2A whole square equal to AD square plus A square. So AD square equal to 4A square minus A square. So AD square we are getting 3A square. So AD equal to root 3A. So here length of each altitude is root 3A. So with this we have completed today's work. So in next session we will see new problems.